Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater next to it in order to activate it. If you are using tricky navigations, you need to switch it to gestures in order to use this mode. If you wish to do it right away, click on Settings in the pop-up. Then tap on Gestures, select Learn or Cancel, and tap on the top left corner. Now select the gray sweater, and as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. To operate it, swipe down from the bottom of the screen. So when I do that, it's definitely on. If you wish to go back, just swipe up or click on this dark area. If you wish to disable it, tap on the same no blue sweater. In order to go back to Tricky's navigation, tap on the top left corner. Click on System Navigation in Additional Settings and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!